How to scroll to the bottom of an Instagram. So in order to scroll to the bottom of an Instagram, first of all you must go ahead and open Instagram. Let's open any browser and search for instagram.com on the web address bar and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you to the official homepage of Instagram. Make sure that you have signed in on your account, and then you need to simply go to the explore button in order to explore some pages of Instagram. So let me inform you that there is no such tool that help us to scroll to the bottom of the Instagram page. So simply with the help of this scroll button, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom manually. So let me show you by doing. So when you keep scrolling, the bottom page or the bottom line won't be there. It will keep loading and different videos and reel will start coming up. So in this way, you can easily scroll to the bottom of Instagram page. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe it for more updates on this channel.